Hello guys, good morning from the trailhead of Mount Waumbek for a solo hike during the winter, and I'm going to do Mount Waumbek today, which is 6.9 miles out and back, and Mount Starking is 2.6 miles, and Mount Waumbek is 3.6 miles from the trailhead one way. The trail seems to be wet and muddy because of the melting snows. Mount Waumbek is rated as simple to moderate hiking. So let's see how it goes. And it's raining a little bit, so it's gonna be a little bit hard because of the rain and the melting snow, but it should be fine. Guys, as you can see, like the stream water is like flowing all the way in the trail, so it's a little bit difficult to walk, and I'm without my spikes at this point, but definitely I think I need to wear my spike maybe after 10 to 15 minutes. I'm kind of tired, and I think I need a micro spike beyond this point because it's getting slippery. It's getting slippery.
Yeah.
I have covered 1.2 miles up to this point, and still 1.6 miles to the summit of Mount Starking and 2.6 miles to the summit of Mount Waumbek. I'm almost near the summit of Mount Starking and cover 2.4 miles from the trailhead and 0.2 miles to the summit of Mount Starking. I'm at the summit of Mount Starking, which is 2.6 miles from the trailhead, and I still have 1.1 mile more to go to the summit of Mount Waumbek. So there is no visibility, guys. Just reached the summit of Mount Starking and heading towards the Mount Womack. The sad thing is no views today. It's so foggy and cloudy. Guys, I accidentally fell my leg into the pothole, and it's like I got a little bit hot in my muscle. So the only difficult thing here is the pothole, so you guys will really need to be careful, especially when you are doing the solo hike. 0.2 miles to go out to the summit. Guys, I'm almost at the summit of Mount Waumbek. It took me around two and a half hours. I started at 9 and it's around 11:30 now. I'm at the summit of Mount Waumbek, and Luckily it didn't rain. It snowed little bit, but there is no clear view. I mean, we are inside the tree line, so there is no view. So don't expect any views from Waumbek. It's just hey. You guys go ahead. I mean, I'm sorry, guys. Oops. So guys, finally I'm back to the trail area of Mount Waumbek. So it took me about 5 hours out and back. The good thing is it's very simple, and the worst thing is there is no view.